Okay folks, today I want to show you around. There are not so much people today in the hotel where I live now in the Netherlands, and I'm cooking. Today I have a free day. I want to show around the kitchen. That's my pan, and I cook beans meal. You can see it's still I'm still waiting to boil to start cooking more and more. Well, my name is Christo, I'm an artist from Bulgaria, and currently I live in the Netherlands since about 1 week. Many of you who follow me know that last year I was living in the same hotel for the whole year. Also I was working here, and for 1 year, the whole year throughout 2023. And now I'm just cooking in the kitchen, chilling. Just decided to make one live video just to tell you how I am and to show you where I live. And I can show you the street from the hotel. Here is the bakery, the ice cream place. And today is not so cold. I am with a t-shirt. It's a little rainy here, but it's about 16, 17 degrees. Autumn, as you see, is fully here already in the Netherlands. Oh, hello Ivo, how are you? I'm in the Netherlands now, bro. As if I'm a cooker, Ivo said. Well, I'm wondering how is it so warm in late October in the Netherlands. Last October was very coldish. It was winter-like, kind of 2, 3, 4 degrees Celsius. Now you can see I'm with the t-shirt outside. It's 16, 17 degrees. I think this is because of the peak of the sun. You know, this year is the peak of the sun, which is every 11 years. Our sun has more energy to throw out, and which makes some havoc in the climate on Earth. But don't worry, global warming is not so big deal. I think the bigger deal is that we use plastic and oil. This is more terrible than the climate itself, because the climate will always have storms, tornadoes, will always have windy times, and you know, it's just normal to have hurricanes in the Atlantic and so on. This is just normal thing for the climate. Yeah, it might be hard, Ivo, but we never know. It might be hard, but it's just the peak of the sun now, so it's totally normal to be hotter here. Next year it will become more normal climate again, not so hot weather, and the winters will start to become colder again for the next years. It's just the cycle of the sun every 11 years, as I told you. Many of you know about that. Hello, hi Yanis. I'm in the Netherlands on a live session. I'm cooking beans. Godve Bob, Yanis. And I want to show you our kitchen in the restaurant in Hotel Roskam in Zwartsluis, the Netherlands. And this is the restaurant. We have a vending machine for some sweets and for some chips and stuff. We have food here. We have a fitness hall over there. So let me see. Somebody asked here. The American gods, says Ivo. Well, you know, let's don't talk about politics. I am not that much into politics already. I figured out I cannot change much about it in the world. It's just we can be good to each other, we can help each other, and we can at some point we can eventually break the system or change the system. bits by bits. Thank you for coming to my live, people. I see 6 people, 5 people now. Thank you for joining the live. Oh my god, this finally is now boiling already. This is my beans with a little bit of carrots, onion and some peppers. And I have prepared some tomato, but usually you have to add the tomato at the end. It's not a big pan. Last year we had better pans here. This is small pan because when I cook beans, I like beans. I want to make a big pan of it to have for 2 days, to have beans for 2 days. But now this is the biggest pan I could find here, down there. And the kitchen, as you see, is a cool kitchen. Here are the laundry and the dryers. We have the beans. Now, usually it's very busy in this kitchen, but now everybody is working, and myself, I'm a free day today. This is my weekend. I will be working in Wednesday. I work in Lidl as a warehouse order picker. It's a bit tiring, you know, but I like the job. It's a much better job than compared to the ice cream factory that I was working last year. The ice cream factory was a depressing job. Everybody sat there, and it's not a good job. Now I will be I will be paid the same, and maybe a little bit more money compared to the factory. And I plan to stay until May next year, because, you know, I had troubles finding construction site work in Bulgaria. I had some work in the summer, but half of the summer I couldn't find a job. So I had no choice, and I came again here to the Netherlands. Thank you for joining the live. So, well, my beans is cooking for now. Well, folks, I'm gonna leave you for now. I plan to make more often live sessions from my life here in the Netherlands. I just want to say that I bring with myself some of the materials and most of my instruments, my tools for crafting handmade journals and handmade crafts and sketchbooks. I also bring my original drawings plus the files for my art prints, so I will be able to sell my art prints from here. And many of the crafts I offer on my website will be also available, and when I have time off of work, I will be able to craft for you if somebody is interested to make an order. Of course, for now I don't have all the materials, but after my first salary this coming Friday, I will be able to buy some materials so that I'm prepared if somebody makes an order for a journal or for other crafts. Those of you who know me, the wooden boxes from the website plus the forest materials will not be available while I am here in the Netherlands. Most of the rest of the crafts and the arts will be available, and I will be able to send them and to ship them to you from here. So, oh, hello Monica, how are you? I'm showing where I live now in the Netherlands and the hotel where I live in the kitchen, making some beans. Готвя Bob, Monica. Здравейте. So also I'll be posting this live session. Because it's recorded in the live studio, I will download it and I'm gonna post this video later on the profile here, just to post this as an update to the other folks in TikTok that follow me. And yeah, все вкусни неща. All the time I like to make good cooking and to eat good food. I also bought an apple. Later on I'm gonna eat one apple. I also take care of how many calories I eat every day because I want to keep flat belly. In the winter and in the summer sometime I had a little bit more fat in the belly part. Now I almost cleaned it and I want my abs to show soon. So hold thumbs for me. But good morning, Tam. Have a wonderful day too. And thank you for your likes, folks. What else should I say? Yeah, so I am careful what I eat. I don't eat sweets. I don't drink soft drinks. I'm very careful with sugar stuff. Almost not eat sweets. And also I try to not eat much, just to keep myself flat and with good form of my body. So anyway, I will finish now the cooking. Thank you everybody for visiting my live session, for staying for a while here, and for giving your likes. So later on, after a couple of hours, I will be again on a live session, but I plan to make a walk around at Zwartsluis, and I'm gonna show you around the village and something. So thank you for joining my live, and see you later, folks. Bye bye.